What's up guys, it's Xander. I'm back in Utah now with my local collective here, and we're doing bike checks on some of these roads.
Yeah, get a bunch of bikes riding around. What's the shit?
Nick did a great job with this. I'm sure you guys know what it used to look like, or he'll pop up a picture for you. And yeah, geez. I mean, so Nick robbed the entire frame, which was a pain. It was oxidizing very fast when he was doing it. Robbed the entire frame and then masked off everything that you see in black and painted that with spray paint. And then all of the silver that you see, as well as so the ride or die and the squad up, the Goon squad, and then there's another squad up and my Instagram handle on the other side, except it needs an underscore in the middle. I tried changing my username to match the sticker, but that's not available. Then the nut sticker on top, all that stuff is vinyl. Yeah, so that's like the aesthetics of the frame. Oh yeah, I can't forget this. The A-Team logo on the back. Very, very slick. We got, let's see, we have the Fairclaw signature death grip grips on there. I've never tried these before. I'm really excited to try them out. I think that it'll be a lot of fun to feel a grip that I haven't used in ever. I got the 35mm Deity cavity on there. I have my old SHIMANO XT that originally came on this bike, but it's been a great break. I just got it bled again, new pads, so that'll be good to go. 720 bars, 20mm rise. Then I have MANITOU CIRCUS fork here, 120mm of travel on the front. That'll kind of go nicely with 100mm of travel I have here in the back with the Fox float shock. It'll be fun to do a little bit more free-ridey stuff, but nothing that requires full downhill bike, but I'll be able to do more than I could on my dirt jumper before here in Utah. We have Chris King hubs laced to, I think, labels have been gone on these rims forever. I think that they're the Sunringle rims, and then I have SCHWALBE tabletops for tires on the front and back here, and I have DD BLADERUNNERs in the pedals. You'll see me run these on pretty much all of my bikes. My new DJ that you guys will see soon, I'm building that up right now. That also has BLADERUNNERs on it. Super sweet. Got the Deity PIVITOL seat with the Deity PIVITOL post. Race face cranks, I think. Those as well as the chainring are off of a buddy of mine's original Polygon bike. So those are kind of hand-me-downs. This bad boy, it's just a chain tensioner, nothing else. But my buddy Andrew happened to have an extra SRAM Eagle drivetrain lying around the shop, so he hooked it up, and we probably have the nicest chain tensioner you've ever seen here on this bike. And yeah, I mean, that's just about it. Nothing too crazy, but it's pretty special to us, and I know Nick spent a lot of time on it, and it's pretty special to me, so I'd say we're super stoked on this build. Oh, and I almost forgot, we have these up in the store now. Check these out. It's a little hot right now to wear this, but I'll wear it once it starts snowing. Pretty slick. It's got the palm trees and the neon look. It's a good vibe.